Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a review of the Opal Tadpole, a sleek and compact 4K webcam designed primarily for laptop users. We'll explore its design, performance, and whether it's worth your consideration. Let's start with the design. The Opal Tadpole boasts a modern, minimalist look with a Scandinavian aesthetic. It's available in two color options, a stylish white and gray combo, and a sleek black and gray variant. The build quality feels premium, featuring a small form factor that's incredibly portable, weighing just 1.2 ounces. Setting up the Tadpole is straightforward. It's plug and play via USB-C, which also doubles as a convenient strap for carrying it around. However, here's the catch. It's primarily designed for laptops. The clip is narrow, making it challenging to mount on thicker desktop monitors without some creative adjustments. Moving on to performance, the Opal Tadpole impresses with its 4K Sony imaging sensor. It delivers crisp and clear visuals suitable for high-resolution video calls and streaming. The autofocus is snappy, thanks to its PDAF with detection, ensuring sharp focus even in varying lighting conditions. Unfortunately, the microphone doesn't quite match the camera's quality. It's serviceable for basic communication but lacks the clarity and depth you might expect, especially for professional use. For serious calls or content creation, an external microphone would be a wise addition. So, should you consider buying the Opal Tadpole? If you're a frequent laptop user who values portability and 4K video quality, this webcam could be a great fit. Its sleek design and impressive imaging capabilities make it ideal for upgrading your video calls or content creation setup on the go. However, if you primarily use a desktop, its mounting limitations might be a deal breaker. That wraps up our review of the Opal Tadpole webcam. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews here on Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.